Hey, what's up everybody? This is your boy Pablo, and today I'm reviewing for you the Start Maxx. The focus works. So this is like a portable battery. You can charge your car with it, and well, that's the main reason I got it, honestly, to start my car, because sometimes I don't be using it so much, and then like a month passes by and the car won't start. So I said, you know, let's go and find one of these. So a friend told me that, he's like, yeah, you can buy one of those jump start to jump your car, but it'll be better if you go with the Start Maxx, because it's like a portable battery. So I said, heck yeah, I'm gonna go get this thing, man. So I did. I think I picked it up for like 67 bucks, 69 maybe, a little bit more, I'm not sure, I don't remember. I got it a while back. But anyways, this thing is awesome, man. Let me tell you, you can charge anything with it. Your phone, you can charge your speaker, PS4 controller, your Xbox controller, Nintendo Switch, iPad, GoPro, your drone, your watch. But you get the point. You can charge pretty much anything, and it holds charge. Like, I charged my whole entire phone from like 8% to 100%, and I use like 45% battery of the whole thing. Remember, this charges a car, so it has like a lot of juice in it. Not only that, it's waterproof, dustproof. It's really nice, and it feels nice in your head, but it's not really that heavy. It feels nice in your head, but it's not that heavy. So you can take it pretty much anywhere. You can put it in your backpack, charge your phone while you're walking down the street, making a video, okay, whatever. It's so cool. You guys got to get this thing, man. As a matter of fact, I was playing games the other day. My controller died. My fucking PS4 is too far away to charge, and I don't have like a 7.5 meters of cable. So what did I do? Pull up this bad boy right there next to me, hooked up the controller, played, no fucking care. Anyways, it's cool. Watch the video. I'll see you guys later. Bye.